album. Sound quality near top notch. In your Jamhara ZB. You understand? And your Jamhara ZB sound and our Stonebwoy is able this season. Now no get show. Album or 5D. Track 3. Or friend more of you. Tell your money be.
No more beatings. Your body the tantalizer. Maggie, you are more picky.
DJ Paco Rich.
Yes, welcome to the favorite channel. Our friend fancy YouTube Zinani DJ Paco Rich. As you can see, my fresh bin as. But today we are here to do the album review of the 5 Dimension on our friend 5D album and our Stonebwoy Zaban. Now there are lots of conversations are recorded online, but in here part of my version of the side of the story, Baba. Stonebwoy 5 Dimension, finally that wait is over. Into album and your mind, you know what or dope. No two ways about that. Now your features be today. Stormzy. You know Stormzy or a London-based rapper or her Oxlade. Yes, Nigeria guy be why you don't know Subano Humas and Paya what savage. In a Dexter Daps, honestly, a Jamaican artist, yeah, war Mary By, yeah, war Jazz Carries, yeah, war Shaggy, Mr. Bombastic, and I were Angelic Kidjo, or your legendary Angelic Kidjo, or Bunny Grammy, or Johnny Day, Inti, these are the people are Stonebwoy, Waka, on your one album, on your one album, and I'm going to give you snippets of these songs on the album. Bianca Kankra, just take 10 seconds, yes, because you need to go stream the album and I more streams. Currently, I make us say Stonebwoy, why hit 18.5 million plays on audio market. Yes, Stonebwoy 5 Dimensions and why hit it 18.5 million streams audio mark. And I think a good impression because we're releasing cherry. I was sharing and I'm there. Nah, share senators on the break up. Twitter echo Twitter CCR Stonebwoy or trend one number 1 with 5 Dimension album hashtag. Number 2 see a Stonebwoy. Number 3 a 5B 5D. And I try to watch Twitter for. Na yanum for so name Male so nanam or yeah tweeting him number 5. I don't know why Male should be trending today, but I felt like today is a Stonebwoy's day. In Kayam Fanny and I am Faman Inti. Like I said earlier on, I'm going to take you through the album. In some crown, I mean, this is a global album. Talking about the quality of the album, sound quality near top notch. In your Jamhara ZB, you understand? In your Jamhara ZB, sound and our Stonebwoy is able this season. Now no get show. 17 track album. With all respect, an international artist I will go to Obia and your talk, Obia your dope. Hey, I cry my rhyme. One month a mum. Into the first track on the album, no feature Stormzy. Now, you're going to tight here, life and money. Into more buck crabby, nete, na yaba vibe or and also yeah, that show.
No competition there with nobody. I just want to see my people make money.
Ewa, first song on the album and I'm casting with some room, no competition day with anybody. I just want to see everybody happy. And this is the wisdom we've always been praising Stonebwoy about it. In young question, you know about waves in the but great content. And see, and you're gonna see I can play all my money in snippets of it. Yeah, Bobo or yeah, track 2. Track 2 no so the title yeah far away. Yes. Inti Stonebwoy far away. Let's listen to that one.
We have a mindset of a winner, we no losing. Dropped up on the highway, we cruising. Double the money is a profit season. Stacking it with no flex for no reason. I saw me feel me no flex for no reason.
I say, I'm gonna hear dope. And you're gonna miss you dying. Come on and say, oh, you're dope. That is track 2, Yendu baby. But we are moving straight to track 3. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna type here more of you, and that has been the favorite of a lot of industry people. Stonebwoy 5D album oh yeah 5D track 3. We're friend more of you. Tell your money be.
No more with this. Your body the tantalizer. Maggie, you want more picking.
My Ghanaian CC. You also go stream the album. Me morning no. Bit by bit. So we are moving to track 4 on the album because our doors are 17. And so there be a snappy. So number 17, where the Muhuzine was Avawumi low. So I wanna kaso say I bekaso Cheda Stonebwoy wherever bet. So track 4 is quite also a great piece of art. Our friend in Rome won't say.
So you fake oh baby, yours for real. Avawum lo. Avawum yeah. Baby, when I tell you say I love you.
Man, kere for the wire and azuna. If I drop in, oh yeah, I be R&B. Avami lo. You can't order Chris Brown too, but still the same or a good sound. You ain't say oh yeah, track 5 on the 5D album. A review track 5 on the 5D album. What friend therapy. That song has been out already, but this year no more than Oxley and Tiwa Savage wado na damonyo mana so shit there. What may you say? Stonebwoy Therapy, the new one. It's like therapy. I like the way you do nyama beat to me. So this is track 5 on the album. Now let's go to track 6 on the album. Also, what friend forgets. I don't see a very nice song. Man, cause also my favorite. You say track 6 on the album.
Forget it, yeah. Because you know what? It's easy. My money long. You won't go. Take on.
All right, that is track 6 on the album. I want to see a dope. Track 7, then we still have 10 more songs to go. Abominate choke, easy choke, Stonebwoy. So track 7 on the album is titled Secret Lover, and it features Dexter Daps, yes, a Jamaican artist. Let's listen to this one. Secret Lover. This one you can feel the Jamaica groove. Okay, so that is track 7 on the album. Now let's do track 8 on the album, which features Mariba, and it's called Ranam. Track 8 on the 5D album, 5-dimension album from Stonebwoy. Okay, I think I've done this one too. So let's do track 9 on the album, and it's called Into the Future. Beautiful song by all standard vocal dexterity. Clear Stonebwoy winging. You see, it's a mature kind of sound that Stonebwoy is able to. Nya jamahala konkomi nyumi bio konkongongo no. And yomne clarity ni ye upper class. Hey beam boy, and you penny yenta Into the Future on your track 9 on the 5D album.
Into the future with you, I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road.
In your future,
give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you, I'm not.
All right, Into the Future. Honestly, a track 8 on the track 9 on the album. Let's do track 10 on the album. Only In Control. Minimum person I'm in, and it features Jazz Carries. I don't know that guy. Stonebwoy no one main, so I'll definitely go and check him up. So track 10 on the 5D album. Let's go.
Slowly, killing them slowly. Fly you around the world, I'm pussy pan story. Ooh, yeah. Get a pretty body, they kill them slowly.
Okay, sounds good. I don't think that would be my kind of song, but I mean, let's go. Number 11, yes, That song has been banging in all clubs and stuffs in Accra. Activate, it features the video Nigeria Daminyumi or a banger. Let's listen to number 11 on the album, track 11 on the 5D album. Title name Activate.
You captivate me, you dey calculate me, you dey saturate me.
They activate me.
Oh my God, you activate me.
You activate me.
Davido. Okay, so now let's do number 12 on the album, and that one is called My Sound, featuring the legendary, my favorite, my godfather, Shaggy, Mr. Bombastic.
Bubble up on me, Susan. Let me give you melodies on a good time. Speed it in like a Mustang. Make a pull up a booga.
All right, so if you want to hear Shaggy's verse, quickly go to AudioMac, iTunes, Amazon, all the digital platforms, and stream and get to hear what Shaggy said on the My Sound on track 12. Into your war number 13. Apotheko says I wanna cuss about those Stonebwoy on him, but that too is a cool sound. Let's enjoy that one. Track 13. I say on a piano level. Okay, so this is a beautiful sound. Now let's go to track 14. It's called African Systems, and that is fire. It has content. Stonebwoy, na dream a boy, yo. Stonebwoy, na you free. Stonebwoy, we mature the music. It say, and no matter what track 14 now, our friend Africa System now. Lyrically, the song is good, well produced, sound quality near out of this world. Hey, boy, beam. I say, you too. African System, track 14 on the 5D album. 5D. Yes, baby.
In this Ghana system, it master sell the food for the school feeding. Government no yet pay the teacher, but pressure upon teacher to teach the student. Rasta can go a good school because of this dreadlocks. So
yes, Rasta can't go to school because Oko Square was on Rasta and Gufum. So number 14, we have 3 more to go. Number 15, we have the song we call Where Is the Love? And this is how Where Is the Love sounds like.
just because I'm down to the earth, I'm a cool from bird, don't fuck up my energy. Yeah.
After saying when I'm here cool and you won't fuck up with my energy or I'm about to die.
Me alone know what I feel over the man them no.
Track 15 on the album Where Is the Love? On the 5D album, the Stonebwoy. Track 16, we call it Non-Stop, and that is my kind of song. Ebo kofi kinate fie kumeri na bobo de minyumia or ye ever blazing. Non-Stop on track 16, 5D album, Stonebwoy.
Promise to be loyal because you were royalty to me.
I say what's a trend champion or the abotongo.
It's a choice that I made. This bone never break my
5D review Neo.
You appeal to me.
Okay, so let's go to the last track on the album because I want it to be very sharp and snappy. Track 17, yeah. Oh yeah. Onye Angelo Kujo no boy. And you want to sing I don't know the word well, but track 17 is a nice song. Into what me say on so.
Manojilo, Manojiboko, Boko, Nana, Manojilo, Manojiboko, Boko, Nana,
yes, so you are thinking of songs that could take us to Grammy, and this is the kind of album. It has every bit of everything in there. So Stonebwoy, I would like to use this opportunity to say congrats to you for coming up with such an outstanding album. Album perfect clear. Bibia about album ne ye fell. Bibia ye guy. Into your someone. Mama Wankado, Stonebwoy, you do all the song be dope, the album be dope now when Jan tour. Please, let's stream this album to the top. Need make sure that Ghana will be at the world will be at Ghana and through this album. This album really represents Oman Ghana ye. Into 1 million push, Nanyan TM Yankade, bim to the world and numbering ye. What from a DJ Park or Rich, a higher fancy YouTube. This is our own review of the 5D album. Macron, I'll definitely be back with some more fire. You best show all at aside when I am on pigeon version of the review. Mark one.
DJ Paco Rich.